This is a video tour of the 25RLE New Imagine XLS floor plan. Definitely an awesome option. Heading on in. Nice, bright, spacious layout in this unit. They've done some great changes in the interior colorings. They've got this awesome dinette space at the back. You've got a spot right here, a little coffee nook area. You've got a spot right there for your chargers. Nice big drawers to store all your stuff. Lots of cabinet space up along the top. You got this great flip out relaxing theater chairs. Looks right at our TV entertainment center. Again, tons of space in here. Countertop space for all your cooking needs. We've got a 3-burner stove with our oven underneath. Lots of big drawers to keep everything nice and organized. Microwave up top. Lots of cabinets around, all with soft close latches. Big freezer or fridge and freezer here as well. Tons of space to keep everything nice and cold. Good little pantry here on the side as well. Lots of storage space. Heading down the hallway, we've got our bathroom off to our right-hand side. Lots of space and storage along the edges. You've got a nice big skylight up in the roof to let in lots of natural light, and a good amount of storage in the sink area too. Finally, down at the back, we've got our queen walk-around bed. You've got access from the outside here. Lots of storage space to keep all your clothes organized. Again, throughout this unit, tons of space. And you've even got a little nook there for all your USB outlets and charging needs. So definitely an awesome floor plan, and one we're excited to see come in.